Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the touch point and powering off any device so you don't short components. Once done, remove loose debris with a clean microfiber. This prevents scratching. Then apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl to a swab or cloth, not directly to the surface, because controlled moisture lifts oils without seeping into seams. Make sure to wear gloves if using solvents and keep cloth strokes consistent to avoid streaks. Now you tackle stubborn residue by concentrating on seams and edges where touch points trap grime. Use a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl or mild detergent and work in small, circular motions to dissolve oils. This helps lift without harming coatings. Once loosened, blot with a dry microfiber to carry residue away. Do not rub harder, which can spread contaminants. Also, make sure to ventilate the space and replace swabs frequently so you're removing, not redistributing, the mess. Finish by drying the touch point completely and then powering the device back on to test responsiveness. You want to confirm success before regular use. If a sticky film remains, you can gently use a 1:1 baking soda paste or a small amount of commercial adhesive remover, applied carefully, then rinse and dry. If touch sensitivity degrades or you see physical damage, stop immediately. Make sure to consult a technician or consider replacing the part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.